Have you ever wondered how some of the coolest inventions make your everyday life easier? Well, get ready to embark on an exciting journey because today, we're diving into the world of inventions for around the house. From gadgets that simplify chores to tools that add a splash of fun to your daily routines, we've got it all covered. Let's explore. Glowing fruit bowl. Imagine you're visiting your tech-savvy neighbor's house and you step into their kitchen. Among the usual cool gadgets, you notice something extraordinary, a glowing blue bowl sitting on the countertop. What's up with that? Well, let me tell you about the blue bowl. Created by a team of Turkish designers, the blue bowl isn't just stylish, it's super smart too. That soft blue light you see? It's not just for show, it's actually keeping your fruit fresher for longer. How? Well, the bowl emits UV blue light, which helps kill bacteria and even slows down the ripening process of your fruits. You see, certain bacteria and gases can make your fruits spoil faster, but the UV blue light in the blue bowl fights against them, keeping your fruits safe and fresh. Pretty cool, right? Now, here's the best part, you can plug in the blue bowl or recharge it for convenience. Although it's not available for purchase just yet, it's been causing quite a stir online with its innovative design and functionality. So, if you're tired of your fruits going bad too quickly, keep an eye out for the blue bowl. It might just become your new kitchen buddy. Moody houseplants. Now we're exploring something super cool, pet plants. Yep, you heard that right, plants that act like pets. Imagine walking through your home and feeling like your plants are watching you. But not in a creepy way, more like they're trying to tell you something. That's where the pet plant comes in. It's designed by Ginny Hio, and it's like having a little buddy in plant form. So, how does it work? Well, the pet plant has optical sensors in the planter that measure things like soil temperature, moisture levels, and light levels. And based on all that data, it displays a digital facial expression to let you know how it's feeling. It's like your plant is communicating with you through its face. How cool is that? If your plant looks happy, it's probably getting just the right amount of water and sunlight. But if it looks angry or sad, it might need some extra attention from you. And don't worry if you forget to water it sometimes. The pet plant can actually tell when it's been watered too much and it'll drain the extra water into a little dish. Talk about smart. Plus, you can connect the pot to your computer with a USB cable to keep track of all your plant's stats, like how moist the soil is, how much light it's getting, and even its temperature. It's like having a little plant doctor right in your home. Overall, the pet plant isn't just a cool gadget, it's also a fun and friendly addition to your home decor. As long as you remember to water your plants, of course. Fold-out balcony. Now checking out something super cool, a fold-out balcony right in your window. Imagine this. Your tech-savvy neighbor opens the window, and suddenly, it transforms into a balcony with just the push of a button. No need to worry, they're not jumping, it's just a genius invention called the fold-out balcony. In places like Sweden, there are rules against adding balconies to buildings with historical significance. But with this nifty invention, homeowners can enjoy the luxury of a balcony without breaking any city ordinances. So, how does it work? Well, the balcony is basically a sturdy window frame made of steel and aluminum. It's installed right into the window space. There's a motorized system that lowers the balcony down smoothly, thanks to reinforced steel bars. This awesome invention, like the award-winning Bloom frame folding balcony, was set to start production in 2008. And the best part? It can be customized to fit most windows and comes in different colors to match your style. Isn't that just amazing? Next time, we'll check out something equally cool, a coffee table that puts on a light show. So, stay tuned for more awesome home gadgets. Interactive coffee table. Think of this. You're chilling on your balcony, enjoying the view, when suddenly you notice a cool blue glow coming from your neighbor's coffee table. Your neighbor sets down a tray of drinks and boom. The table lights up with bright, twinkling white lights all around the tray. It's like magic? But wait, there's more. When the tray is taken away, the lights fade to a soft blue and twinkle gently. Then, out of nowhere, the cat jumps on the table, and wherever the cat goes, the table lights up, following its every move. This amazing coffee table is called the Wave, and it's not your ordinary table. It uses LED lights, which are super bright and energy efficient. These lights don't have a little wire inside like regular bulbs. Instead, they create light using special technology. The Wave table has clever sensors and circuits that can detect pressure and light changes, so it knows when something is nearby and lights up accordingly. Plus, it's easy to power with a hidden cord and doesn't need any fancy programming. But here's the coolest part. The wave is not only stylish and fun, it's also good for the environment. It's made from sustainable materials like non-formaldehyde plywood, finished with water-based lacquer, and it uses very little energy, just 35 watts when it's fully lit up. Most of the time, it's just chilling, using even less energy. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, depending on what options you choose, the Wave coffee table can cost between $1,795 to $2,340. It's definitely an investment, but hey, who wouldn't want a magical, eco-friendly coffee table in their living room? So, if you're looking to add some pizzazz to your home, the Wave coffee table might just be the perfect choice. Alright, on the next, we're diving into a bathroom with a spine. Intrigued? The Swiss Army bathroom. Ever had one too many drinks on the balcony and needed a bathroom break? Well, get ready for a surprise with this one. Picture this. You walk into the bathroom, but it's not your typical one. It's like stepping into a scene from a futuristic movie. Meet the vertebrae bathroom unit. It's like a giant Swiss Army knife, but for your bathroom needs. It's got everything packed into one compact space, a sink, toilet, and even a shower. Yep, you heard that right. The sink actually swivels out from the bottom, revealing the toilet underneath. And wait, there's more. Storage bins slide out and you've got not one, but 2 shower heads ready to go. It's all in one big tiled room with a drain in the center, so you can move the shower head wherever you like. Now, why is this so cool? Well, it's designed to fit perfectly into those tiny urban apartments, where space is precious. You know, those places where every inch counts? That's where the vertebrae bathroom unit shines. It was even featured in the Sony House of Tomorrow in London. Talk about futuristic. And guess what? You can actually buy one today. They come in all sorts of colors to match your style, and at around $15,000, it's not too bad considering how much a full bathroom renovation can cost. So, if you're tight on space but still want all the bathroom luxuries, the vertebrae unit might just be your new best friend. Stay tuned for more cool innovations like a toilet lid that closes on its own. Electronic bidet. Suppose you're in the bathroom, minding your own business, when suddenly, the toilet lid lifts up all by itself to say hello. You might feel a bit nervous, but you sit down anyway. Then, after you're done, you feel a warm spray from behind. It's a bit surprising, right? But wait, it gets even more surprising. The toilet flushes itself and lowers the lid back down. You're left scratching your head, wondering if you've somehow been transported to France. But here's the real kicker, that fancy toilet isn't in France. It's right in your own bathroom. It's called the Washlet S400 and it's made by a company called Toto. This magical toilet seat attachment only works with certain Toto toilets, so keep that in mind. It's controlled by a remote control that you mount on the wall, and get this, it can do all sorts of cool things automatically. First off, it raises and lowers the toilet lid all on its own, which is great news for anyone who's ever had an argument about leaving the toilet seat up or down. It also flushes automatically, so you don't even have to touch anything. And here's where it gets really fancy. It acts like a bidet, spraying a warm stream of water to make sure you're super clean after you finish your business. Now, you might be thinking, where can I get one of these magical toilets? Well, you won't find them online. Toto products are a bit old-fashioned that way. But don't worry, you can find the Washlet S400 at retail stores all across the US and Canada. Just be prepared to shell out about $1,890 for the privilege of having a toilet that practically does the cleaning for you. So there you have it, folks. The Washlet S400, bringing a touch of luxury to your bathroom experience. And hey, if you're up for it, stick around for the next, where we'll meet some musical statuesque dogs that'll really get your toes tapping. Woofer speaker system. Now something really unique, it's called the woofer speaker system, and trust me, it's unlike anything you've seen before. Imagine this, you step out of your bathroom and suddenly, you hear music playing. Curious, you head to the living room, only to find 2 white German shepherds, but wait, they're missing their heads. Instead, they're emitting deep, booming thuds in perfect sync with the bass notes coming from the speaker system. These woofer speakers are not just your ordinary speakers, they're a whole experience. Shaped like dog statues, they add a quirky touch to any space, whether it's a hunting lodge, a rec room, or even a funky pop art studio. And get this, each set comes with 2 speakers, available in black or white, and they cost $1,479. Plus, shipping is free to the US and Canada. Pretty cool, right? Designed by the talented Sander Mulder, these woofers are made from polyester and pack a punch with their 180-watt speakers. So, not only do they look awesome, but they also deliver some serious sound quality. Now, if you're concerned about indoor pollution, don't worry, we've got something else coming up on our list that might just be perfect for your home. Musical oxygen bar. Ever heard of an oxygen bar? Well, get ready for something super cool, the musical home oxygen bar. So, imagine this. You're chilling at home, and you notice your neighbor relaxing in their bedroom with their eyes closed, wearing what looks like a microphone headset and a big smile on their face. And guess what? They're breathing in deeply from it. Now, remember those oxygen bars where people would gather to breathe in pure oxygen? Well, now you can bring that experience right into your own home with the Zodro Oxygen Bar. This amazing gadget comes with built-in soothing sounds to help you relax, and get this, you can even add your favorite essential oils to enhance your aromatherapy oxygen experience. How cool is that? Here's how it works. There's a small compressor that acts as a speaker, which sits quietly on the floor while you sit back and relax in your favorite chair. It's connected to a tube that sends pure oxygen up to your nostrils. And if you want to add some extra flavor to your oxygen, just pop in some essential oils into the filter. It's like a breath of fresh air. Now, a couple of things to note. This oxygen bar isn't for medical use, so don't go using it as a replacement for your doctor's advice. It's got a silent motor that makes sure the oxygen you're breathing is clean and pure, plus it removes any extra moisture. And all this amazingness comes with a price tag of $299. So, take a deep breath and enjoy the refreshing effects of clean oxygen right in the comfort of your own home. Trust us, it's an experience you won't want to miss. Pool PC. Have you ever imagined surfing the internet while chilling in your pool? Well, now it's possible with the Pool PC. Imagine this. Your neighbor invites you over for a pool party, and as you step into their backyard, you see something incredible, a computer floating right there in the pool. That's the Pool PC, designed and invented by Barry Lyon Locke for the next-gen PC design competition. Now, this isn't your ordinary computer. It's waterproof, made from special materials that make it float, so you don't have to worry about it sinking to the bottom of the pool. Plus, it's solar-powered, which means it gets its energy from the sun, so no need to plug it in. One of the coolest things about the Pool PC is how it stays cool. Instead of using a fan like regular computers, it uses the water from the pool to keep itself from overheating. And guess what? You don't even need a keyboard because it has a touchable user interface, making it super easy to use without worrying about water damage. But wait, there's more. It also has some fancy features like GPS, Bluetooth, and internet access, so you can stay connected even while lounging in the pool. And to top it all off, it comes with a stretchable attachment, so it can fit on any pool ring or inner tube. So, if you're into tech and love spending time in the water, the Pool PC might just be your new favorite gadget. Plus, who wouldn't want to relax in the pool while surfing the web? It's like a dream come true for tech-savvy water lovers. Hover It Recliner Chair. Now take a look into the world of futuristic furniture with the Hover It Recliner, a chair that's so cool, it might just need its own room. Imagine this. Your neighbor steps out of the pool and points to a reclining lawn chair that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yep, that's the Hover It Recliner. And guess what? It levitates. This amazing chair was showcased at the Sony House of the Future in London, and let me tell you, it's no ordinary chair. It's hand-built using clear plastics and super powerful magnets that repel each other, making the chair float above its base. It's like magic. Now, you might be wondering, what's the deal with all these magnets? Well, some people believe that magnets have health benefits, like helping with weight loss and muscle contouring. So, not only is this chair ultra cool, but it might also be good for your health. But, before you rush out to buy one, there are a few things you need to know. First off, keep this chair away from anything with magnetic strips. That means no credit cards, cell phones, or computers nearby. And if you've got a pacemaker, it's best to steer clear of this chair too, just to be safe. Oh, and did I mention the price? Yeah, it's a bit on the pricey side. The Hover It Recliner will set you back a cool $11,716 plus shipping. But hey, with only 2,000 of these babies in production, it's definitely a collector's item. So, if you're ready to take your relaxation game to the next level, why not treat yourself to the Hover It Recliner? Just make sure to leave your gadgets behind and enjoy the floaty sensation of this futuristic chair. So there you have it, folks, some seriously cool inventions around the house. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.